Hey everybody, this is Chuck. Just a quick video. So I have these cutters and I jammed it and I snapped the shank off of one of them. So this is just a quick little snippets of iPhone videos of my repair. So I hope you enjoy. The hole cutter that I used in this piece of aluminum, and it's not meant to cut very deep. And I made the mistake thinking that this part was only a ½ inch thick. So I was pushing this tool and then I turned the part over and proceeded on cutting through on the other side. There's the second side, and well, it didn't make it, and the tool snapped.